Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to the new topic, equilibrium constant and its units. Equilibrium constant and its units. We have already discussed the equilibrium constant. Equilibrium constant is a ratio of the product of the concentration of products raised to power of coefficient to the product of concentration of reactant raised to the power of coefficient is expressed in the balanced chemical equation. So, Kc is equal to product of concentration of products raised to power of coefficients divided by product of concentration of reactants raised to the power of coefficients. The product can be written in equilibrium constant expression as a numerator. The product can be written in equilibrium constant expression as a numerator, and the reactants can be written in the equilibrium constant as denominator. Numerator, denominator. So, product in numerator place and reactants in denominator place. And the value of Kc depends only on temperature, because by changing the temperature, the equilibrium point can be disturbed, and by disturbing the equilibrium point, the value of the Kc will also be changed. So, at mean, the equilibrium constant Kc value depend upon the temperature. But it does not depend on the initial concentration of reactants and product. The value of Kc is independent of the initial concentration of reactants and products. So, for this purpose, what will be the unit of Kc? And how we will express the equilibrium constant? So, look to the example. For example, H2 plus I2 in gaseous phase reacts and produce 2Hi at equilibrium state. What will be the Kc? How we will express this equation in terms of Kc? So, Kc is equal to, we have discussed already that the product can be written as numerator and the reactants can be written as denominator. So, Hi is the product, Hi, and raised to the coefficient, raised to the power of coefficient of the product. What is the coefficient of Hi? 2. Divide by H2 into I2. As the coefficient of hydrogen is 1 and the coefficient of iodine is 1. So, we will place one by one. So, how we can write the equilibrium expression for this example? Hi divided by H2 and to I2. Similarly, another example, N2 plus 3H2. When the nitrogen react with hydrogen, they will produce ammonia. And the ammonia can be reversibly broken down into nitrogen and hydrogen. So, 2NH3 is formed. What is the equilibrium expression? Kc for this balanced chemical equation. So, Kc is equal to NH3 raised to the power 2 and N2 and 3H2. So H2 raised to the power 3. So this is an expression for this examples. Now we are going to calculate this. Now what will be the unit of Kc in this expression and what will be the unit of Kc in this expression? As we know that the molar concentration unit is mole per decimeter cube. So here Hi mole per dm cube whole 2. Similarly, mole per dm cube N2 mole per dm cube. So they can be cancelled with each other because 2 mole are here the reactants and 2 mole are products. So mole per decimeter cube multiplied by mole per decimeter cube divided by mole per decimeter cube and to mole per decimeter cube. So they will be cancelled out. So what will be the unit of Kc here? No unit. So this is one case. If the number of mole of the reactants become equal to the number of moles of the products, then the equilibrium constant Kc has no unit. This is the one case. If the number of mole of the reactants are the same as the number of mole of the products, so in this case the Kc has no unit. So what happened? No unit. Now look here. In this case, mole per decimeter cube multiplied by mole per decimeter cube. Similarly, mole per decimeter cube multiplied by mole per decimeter cube multiplied by mole per dm cube whole square. So this can be cancelled out with this one, mole for this. Now what will be the unit of Kc in terms of this equation? Mole per decimeter cube, 1 over mole per decimeter cube and to mole per decimeter cube. Mole per dm cube whole minus 2. This is the unit of equilibrium constant expression for ammonia. Now we are going to solve another example. H2 plus I2 react reversibly to form 2Hi. Now let us 0.5 mole of hydrogen react with 0.5 mole of iodine to produce 0.5 mole of hydrogen iodide. So what will be the value of Kc? What will be the value of Kc? If 0.5 mole of hydrogen gas react with 0.5 mole of iodine gas and they produce 0.5 mole of hydroiodic acid. So at equilibrium state, they have the same concentration. What will be the value of Kc at equilibrium state? So as Kc is equal to Hi whole square divided by H2 N2 I2. Now put the values. Put the values. 2 0.5 multiplied by 0.5 divided by 0.5 multiplied by 0.5. If we multiply this, 0.5 multiplied by 0.5, 0.25, 0.25 divided by 0.25. So they can be cancelled out with each other. So what will be the unit value of Kc? The value of Kc is equal to 1. Kc. So we can calculate the equilibrium constant Kc value from the reaction if we know the number of mole of the reactants as well as the number of mole of the product at equilibrium state. Okay? If you have any questions, so please ask me. Wish you best of luck. Be happy.